This is the sixth sum that we are doing of the exercise 6.4, wherein it is said into if two triangles are similar, prove that the ratio of their areas is equal to the squares of their medians, is equal to the squares of their corresponding medians, is equal to the ratio. Okay. So this is given PQR is similar to ABC. Because the triangles are similar, we have already proven earlier, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is side 1 upon side 2 the whole square equals to side 2 upon side 2 the whole square equals to side 3 upon side 3 the whole square. Also, PS and AD are the medians. So PS, S is the midpoint. So QS equals to SR, BD equals to DC. Okay, BD equals to DC. And since the triangles are similar, PQ upon AB equals to QR upon BC equals to PR upon AC. Also, angle A and angle P, angle B and angle Q, angle P and angle R are equal. All of this is given to us. Now we are taking these two smaller triangles, PQS and ABD. Triangle PQS and triangle ABD. पहले तो हमको ये पता था PQ upon AB equals to QR upon BC. But QR is twice of QS and BC is twice of BD. So QS upon BD, 2 will cancel. PQ upon AB equals to QS upon BD. And angle B and angle Q are the same, equal. They are equal. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. And if the two triangles are similar, their areas, area PQS upon area ABD equals to PQS upon ABD equals to, you can say PQ upon AB the whole square equals to QS upon BD the whole square equals to PS upon AD the whole square. Now PQ upon AB the whole square and PS upon AD the whole square. So from this and this, from these two, we can say therefore in place, I can say in place of AB upon PQ, PQ upon AB, I can write PS upon AD. I can write PS upon AD. Is this clear, Abdul Ahad? Okay, because PQ upon AB the whole square is equals to PS upon AD the whole square. So therefore, that is what is proven. ये जो proof करना था, that is done. ठीक है? लिख लो अगर लिखना है तो. Of course, the reasons and all those things you have to write. I have given you the main important thing, that is the logic, how it works. I've given you all the logic. हो जाए तो बताना. The seventh one, I'll just again briefly explain. It's not that difficult how we are going to do it. See, what does it say? The area, this equilateral triangle described on one side of a square. So let's assume this is a square. Okay, ये square है, तो इसके ऊपर equilateral triangle same size का है. Equilateral मतलब all three, and all these angles are 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. And then it says diagonal, on one diagonal. Now ये जितना diagonal है उतना ही ये दूसरे भी triangles का size. Okay, are you clear now? See, this was the original square. Square उधर नहीं है. Okay, ये अगर ऐसा square रहता तो ऐसा आता, बट क्योंकि ये जितना ये साइड है उतना ही ये साइड है और उतना ही ये साइड भी. This is also 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees. So if you call this A, B, okay, इसको अगर हम C बोलते तो ये D, इसको E और इसको F बोलेंगे. So now we are going to have two triangles. Diagram दिख रहा है ना अब्दुल अहद? दिख रहा है ना?
Yes.
The diagram, see, triangle ABE is similar to triangle DBF. Why? Because all of them are equiangular, 60 degrees. All angles are 60 degrees by AAA test. The two triangles are similar. Now, if the triangles are similar, therefore, area ABE upon area B or DBF equals to AB upon BD the whole square. AB upon BD the whole square. Now this is a square. So this side and this side were equal. And in a square, the diagonal is root 2 times the square. The diagonal is root 2 times the side. How? I'll explain it to you separately over here. Let's say this is a square of side 4 centimeters. Sorry, 4, 4, 4, and 4. If I take this, this will become a right angle triangle. Okay, PQRS. So in PQS, in triangle PQS, QS square equals to PQ square plus PS square, which is equals to 4 square plus 4 square, which is 16 plus 16, which is equal to 32. So QS will be root 32, which will be root 16 into 2, which will be 4 root 2. QS, that is the diagonal, is 4 times, root 2 times the side. Also, in a square, the diagonal is root 2 times the side. Root 2 times the side. Therefore, BD equals to root 2 AB. BD equals to root 2 AB. Therefore, area ABE upon area BDF equals to AB की जगह पर AB रखो, BD की जगह पर it will be root 2 AB. The whole square. AB will cancel, 1 upon root 2 the whole square, which is 1 upon 2. ठीक है, यहाँ तक कॉपी करो, फिर उसके आगे का मैं वहां लिख रहा हूँ. देखो यहाँ ये कैसे आया, ये आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है, रूट 2 टाइम्स द साइड. आफ्टर दिस विल गेट एरिया ABE upon area BDF equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, area ABE equals to 1 upon 2 times area BDF. Bring this to this side. 2 times area ABE equals to area BDF. Therefore, that is what we have to prove now. So that it is equal to half. नहीं तो यहीं पे खत्म करना. Area of the triangle, equilateral triangle on one side of the square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle of the diagonal. So that is all that you have to do. ठीक है, कॉपी कर लो. Then I'll confirm आगे का आपका क्या है. तो यहाँ तक तो कॉपी कर लो. We're supposed to do Pythagoras theorem and all these things, but आज आपके क्लास में सबके सब एब्सेंट है. Surprising. बहुत लेट हो गए थे इम्तिहान. I've just explained today exercise 6.4. Okay, there were some doubts on question number 6 and 7. Question number 6 and 7 I've just explained. I'll send you the link. You can go through the video then. I've not done anything new because most of you were missing today. I've just done whatever doubts were there from exercise 6.4. That is sum number 6 and 7. ठीक है, यहाँ अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज पूछ लो. There is no point doing a new sum now. The time बहुत कम है. Tomorrow we will start with Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So I hope you all will be there on time tomorrow. Don't miss out tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we should also be able to almost, I think, finish the chapter. No, we will not finish the chapter, but we will be very close to finishing the chapter tomorrow. Because अभी अपने पास 3 दिन ही मिलते हैं मैथ्स के लिए. Please avoid missing out. Miss out मत करो. ठीक है, और कोई डाउट्स है, क्वेरीज है तो प्लीज पूछो अभी. अब्दुल अहद, इहान, any doubts, queries? Anybody has any doubts, queries, questions? Please ask. Otherwise, we will finish this class and then you will have ma'am's class next, which will start immediately in 2-3 minutes. Okay? So no questions. We'll wind up tomorrow. As I said, be on time. Don't be late. We are going to start with Pythagoras tomorrow. Okay? Theorem 6.7 and 6.8 and 6.9. We'll try and finish the 3 theorems tomorrow. Go through the textbook. Be prepared for it. Doubts है, queries है, questions है, पूछ लो. Okay?